The Helix Midnight Lux is one of the most talked about hybrid mattresses, and after testing it for myself and getting one for a friend with shoulder pain, I can see why. The ordering process is simple. You take a sleep quiz, and Helix recommends the best fit based on your body type and sleep style. Setup is easy, shipping is fast, and there's no strong off guessing smell. The Midnight Lux has a medium feel, making it great for couples with different sleep positions, and its hybrid build of foams plus pocketed coils delivers strong support, pressure relief, and cooling while keeping motion transfer low. It's made in the USA with 30 PUR US certified foams, and a queen runs just under $1,800, though discounts are common. You also get a 100-night trial, free returns, and a 15-year warranty. While stomach sleepers and those wanting an ultra firm or deep sink in memory foam feel might prefer alternatives like Sattva or Plank, the Midnight Lux stands out for balanced comfort, cooling, and customization, making it a great pick for side and back sleepers. Anyone who wants a reliable hybrid mattress, do your own research.